I like the Connections program because you automatically get a study group.
I really enjoyed making friends with the Connections program. I was more excited to go to class knowing that my little small group of friends would be there all the time, and it was less stressful because I could run to them if I needed help with homework or any other type of assignments.
It helped me do well in my first semester, and the professors who are involved all want their students to do well, so it was really nice having them to teach me.
We hand select the best faculty members to be able to put together what classes are offered for each of the connections. So you're not just taking a writing course, you're taking a writing course with one of the best writing instructors on our campus. And that's something that not every student gets the opportunity to do, is to have their faculty hand selected for them. So that's a benefit for Connections.
The business connections courses that I have taught at Oakland University have allowed students to work collaboratively in groups and gain a greater appreciation for the academic community at large.
Well, I thought the Connections program was a great opportunity to meet people, and it was a super awesome time.
I commute, so I don't live on campus, so it's harder to meet people because I'm not on campus as much. So it made it easier for me to make friends.
I like the Connection group because I was able to live with my classmates, and it just gave me a great sense of community, and being able to go to dinner with them was great.
They make lifelong friendships, so having 25 other students that you're going through the program with, you have 3 classes together throughout your first semester, and then you'll still have your writing class together for the second semester. They become friends, and I've been teaching connecting courses for 3 or 4 years now, and so some of those students are getting ready to graduate and they're still friends with one another.
There's a great social aspect to the Connections program. I've taught nursing students for several semesters and came across a group of students who really connected both academically and socially. They requested to stay together for a second semester. They enjoyed their class together so much. They are now roommates, they travel together, and are lifelong friends.
As an undecided student, I think that the Connections program really opened up good career options for me that are also good for my personality.
The Connections program allowed me to meet some new people that I really got along with, and we all had the same kind of personalities and things going for us because we all didn't know exactly what we wanted to do, but we were all heading down a path to figure it out, and it was real helpful to have a lot of people around that were doing the same kinds of things that I was.
One of the things that I like about the Connections program is that it engages students in some kind of career exploration.
Because the Connection sections are focused on a particular topic or a particular field, or in my case, a range of similar fields, we were able to delve into the social sciences more, talk about what they would be learning, how they were going to be writing as a social scientist, and so forth. So it was really a very positive experience.